So in today's video, we're going to be explaining all the investments you can make with the market rising going into Friday. So just before the video does start, a quick little ad on a trading service I offer over on Twitch for the cheapest trading guides out there for just £4, €4, all free with Amazon Prime. You'll receive daily trading and investing guides covering PlayStation, Xbox and PC with an array of methods covering all budgets. And I've been trading for over 10 years, making over 100 million in multiple different FIFAs, and now for the last 4 years I've made 10 million coins in just the first month. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is talking about the market rising going into Friday and all the investments you guys can go and make. So first off, let's just talk about what's happened with the market over the weekend, because I haven't released any videos, and the market has basically crashed. Now the market has crashed over the weekend because EA is starting to release Centurions as good as Prime, Icon, Moment, Team of the Years, etc, etc. They are basically releasing insane evolutions. And as a result, evolutions are now taking the place of Icon SBCs and Hero SBCs, as in the thing that crashes the market. The reason for this is because, again, the players are just absolutely insane. Lorente, for example, Tuchemeni has a crazy card, Dunn has a crazy card. And what this has done to the market is it has not just replaced centre mids, but basically because this is so good, but it costs 150k, it is the exact same as how Icons and Hero SBCs would affect the market last year. And that's that even players who are not centre mids, or positions that are even getting replaced by centre mids, let's say for example Lorente can play right back, right mid, we're seeing centre backs drop. And the reason we're seeing centre backs drop is because people are selling their players to go and do this Evo. We didn't see the market crash until 6 PM on Friday, and then the market kind of just crashed over the weekend as people were just selling players off and getting coins from Weekend League to go and do this. We can see this if I go and look at the likes of Varane. Varane's a perfect example. No one or none of the evolutions are replacing Varane. But what happened with Varane is he dropped on the likes of the Friday. We can see no panic selling. Then the evolution came out. He went from 81 to 69. We can then see rebound a little bit, but then went back down again on the Saturday when everyone woke up and was doing the evolution. And maybe you could argue a little bit with the hero. Oh no, that's not even the hero pack. The hero pack is the Sunday. So we can see that he was give or take the cheapest before the hero pack even came out. And that's again because people were just selling their clubs to go and do the current evolution. We can see he did rebound a little bit and then went back down with the hero pack. And since he's gone from 58 to 61. We can also go look at the likes of someone like Davies. Again, Davies is not someone who's really being replaced by the left wing Evo. He's not really someone that's being replaced with the centre mid Evo. But we can see that the likes of Davies before Friday 6 PM was 26k and he crashed all the way there to 16k. We can then see he proceeded then to drop a little bit on the Sunday, and then we saw on the Saturday, and we saw a little bit more of a drop there with the Hero SBC. But the vast majority was because of the likes of Bruno Gil-James. Now this is very interesting because we've had Hero and Icon SBCs every week, but they don't do this to their cards. For example, a normal Hero or Icon SBC will drop someone like Davies from 26 to 22k. This means that he drops no more than 20%. So that's what a Hero and Icon SBC does this year. This is what an Evo does. An Evo this year drops him from 26k down to 16k. That is basically a 40% drop. And we see Varane. Varane had a 30% drop. We even look at some of the out of pack cards and that has a 10-15% drop. Meaning that people panic sell stuff on the market way more because of the current caliber of evolutions more than we've got Hero and Icon SBCs. So traditionally everyone would be panic selling because of Hero and Icon SBCs, but now the thing you have to worry about is the likes of Evos. And the lovely thing about Evos is they don't really get leaked before they come out, which means that, you know, we can be chilling. The market again is favourite now to rise till Friday, and boom. Because of the caliber of evolutions during Centurions, we could get something that drops all the market again, or at least everything kind of 200k and below, because everyone is selling stuff in their club to go and do the likes of the evolutions. Now this evolution right here didn't really drop the market, and this evolution had a little bit of an effect on the likes of left wings, but nothing too crazy. It was mainly the box to box centre mid. So that's basically what's happening with the market. Now the market now is favourite basically everything to rebound going into Friday. There is actually one other thing I'll say just before we do talk about this, and that's also that another set of cards that are being affected are the likes of Icons. That's because EA's done the exact same this year as what they did with previous years, and that's that the Icon promo cards, for example the Centurion Icons, have been given promo pack weight, not Icon pack weight. So what I mean by this is Coman, before that card came out, was 240k. But this card is 180k and it's better. That's because this card is a lot easier to pack than icons because it's a promo icon, and promo icons are given promo card pack weight, not icon pack weight. So this is also something that's affecting maybe some of the more top end market, but icons don't really affect the majority of the market. It's just these can be a reason that players like Stoichkov are maybe down a little bit because we've got likes of Rooney and Smith who are relatively easy to pack, and he's a bit more comparable. So this is something that affects icons. But what should happen now is the rest of the market should basically now be rebounding between last night's panic selling with the Hero SBC up to Friday. So we can already see the likes of Aram. Again, got low there to 58k, and there is a rebound to 61. If I go look at the likes of Davies, we can see that Davies yesterday got down there as low as, he hasn't really rebounded amazingly, 11.5 but up to 12.5. We should start seeing basically him rising throughout the quarter today. We can also go look at some special cards, the likes of Diaz, and Diaz again should have got low yesterday. What did he go down to? Went down to 97. He's back up to about 100 at the moment, but there's nothing too crazy now. But again, we do expect the market rebounding going into Friday. Let's go and find something else. Let's go and grab the likes of Lamptey. We should see a decent rebound on an old team of the week with the likes of Lamptey. Lamptey got down there to 84. Even got down here this morning down to 83. Seems to have rebounded to 86 and getting closer to 90. So again, this is very early stages of the rebound, but the market should rebound from today through to Friday. Unless we go and get another revolution. Now again, this is not something I can dictate or know, but I would say the chance of us getting a Brunugel Hemers level evolution, you know, it's not something we really know at the moment because it is quite early days with how often they're releasing this top end. I think there's a low chance we see it maybe before Friday. For example, if I had meta cards, I probably would now gamble that they'll rebound going into Friday. I can't guarantee we won't get an evolution between now and Friday, but you'll never buy anything if you don't take these gambles that we won't get anything as good. I'd maybe gamble we'd get these sort of ones that maybe affect the positions of the evolutions, rather than, again, Brunigil Hammers 150k drops all the evolutions. Always treat him like, again, a hero and an icon SBC. We'd only maybe expect one once a week. Again, it's still early days, so we're not too sure. Also, what's really annoying is EA's gone completely against their word, because EA said that, if I can go and grab it here, that we'd only get 12 evolutions, including the startup ones. If we can go and find this right here, I'm not quite sure if it does say it right here. There you go. We're only going to get a total of 12 evolutions, including the tutorial and the founders one in this season. Well, there's still 3 days left of the season, and we've had 15. So EA also has no idea what they're doing because they've released more evolutions than they said they would, which meant if you were to try and prepare that there weren't going to be any more, yeah, you kind of got a little bit screwed over. So the market is favourite to rebound going into Friday. So what does that mean we can buy? That means that we can go and buy the players that initially went down because they went out of packs. So, for example, we can go and look at the likes of Guerrero is a little bit rope. We can go look at the likes of Tomori if he's still back down again. No, he's already rebounded a slight bit. We can see that Tomori got there to 48. He then got down there to 42. And you can already start seeing him rebound. So again, if he fluctuates back down again, there's some decent money. If not, you can just buy him and he should continue rising through to Friday. Other sort of metas that you can go and pick up are players who are favourite to hit the team of the week. So, for example, again, you are still a bit late on this, but you can try and get a lot of snipes or fluctuations, okay? So we can see the likes of Haaland. Haaland's favourite to get a team of the week. Got down there to 167. So you're going to have to get slight snipes on him, but he should rise because of going out of packs. And then again, he should rise with the rest of the market going into the likes of Friday. What other stuff can we go and pick up? So we've got cards that are going out packs because of them likely to get team of the week. We've got cards that are currently out packs. You can just literally go and buy any sort of meta player. For example, you can go and buy the likes of Diaby, because we should have seen him we should see him rebounding from yesterday. Yep, 11.5, 13, and he should only rebound and rebound and rebound. So it doesn't madly matter what meta card you buy, as long as you're happy to gamble that there won't be another evolution that crashes the market. Now, if you don't want to gamble on there being an evolution or not, there is another very safe play, and that is SBC fodder. Now, SBC fodder is especially safe to go and buy because the current hero SBC is repeatable twice again on the Friday. Because it's repeatable twice again on the Friday, it means that anything that this SBC needs is basically safe until Saturday after 6 PM content, because again, it's repeatable on the Friday and it expires on the Sunday. You can also gamble that they're going to do the exact same with the icon pack than they did with the hero pack, which is that we don't get a new SBC, but we get the SBC we had previously, so the max 87, and it's just repeatable twice on the Sunday and then twice on the Friday. You can happily gamble that. So that means that anything used for this SBC is nice and safe, so it basically means 83s, 4s, 5s, 6s and 7s shouldn't drop value between now and Saturday, and if anything should keep going up because of upgrade packs, player SBCs, and again the hero pack being repeatable. That's 83s, 4s, 5s, 6s and 7s. Now you can also gamble higher rated fodder because of the Centurion player SBCs and the Centurion Icon SBCs, and we've got POTMs coming this week, and that would be picking up the likes of 87s, 88s, 89s and 90s, especially prop, because she's going to go out packs on Friday despite being one of the cheapest 90 rated. One thing you do need to bear in mind though is price ranges. So for example, if we were to go and pick up an 86, let me find one that I've gone and bought, and MCL is good. So if you're going to buy the likes of Trent right now at 12, he's got a max price range at 14. Yes, you can gamble or get a price range update, but why do that gamble if you could go and, let's say, get Musiala for the same sort of price, but he's got a 40k price range. So, for example, the max you can make on him is literally, what's that going to be? Like 1.3k, whereas obviously the opportunity is endless with the likes of Musiala, because there is plenty of room on his price range. So that is another investment, the likes of high-rated fodder. You have also got, and I'd say there's a lower chance it being needed, but also very low risk, 87 rated inform fodder with Alberto, 84 rated fodder with Barnes and Politano, and 83 rated fodder with Ayomi. I wouldn't go below an 83, but yeah, you've got those as inform fodder, which again, we haven't had informs being needed so far, but you can gamble on them being needed in terms of a small percentage. Currency in the week might rise out of packs through to Friday. It's just a bit of a rare occurrence for them to rise out of packs, but it's also very rare occurrence to see so big of a drop that we've seen this week. So yeah, again, if you want to gamble it, you can go and get Goretzka, Frimpong, Openda, Griezmann, and then gamble them rising till Friday, because I don't know if there'll be that much room between buying them now and selling them on the Thursday. The final investment I do like the looks of is going to be the Centurion upgrade. I'll talk about this a little bit later in the week, but basically because this evolution is out for 27 days, and these cards are only in packs till Friday, it means that these cards can continuously be put into the despite them being out of packs. So again, I'll talk about this investment later in the week and talk about how, because you're going to probably buy these after Thursday's marquee matchups, but these will be good investments later in the week. And I'd say that's about everything we can go and buy this week going into between now and Friday. So again, meta's a little bit risky because an Evo at the moment with the current caliber of Evos can drop the whole market. Fodder looking super safe, 83s to 87s we know are going to hold value till Sunday. Anything higher and you're gambling on the SBCs. You can also gamble on inform fodder, and yeah, I'd say that's about it. And Centurions, you can go and look at buying after marquee matchups in terms of the ones being used for the upgrade. I'd say that's about it. Hopefully that answers a bunch of your questions. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video.